Hello there, beautiful people. Today I'm reviewing the MAC Russian Red shade lipstick. It's my absolute favorite. Got about half a tube left. It's a nice, intense, bluish red. It's matte, but it's not drying. It's just a wonderful color that I get lots of compliments on. If you want something that's like desperately seeking Susan, Madonna, this is the color to go to. It's pretty awesome. I'm going to show how it looks on my hand. So let me just close this up for a second. And this here is actually another MAC pencil called Follow Your Heart. I bought it on sale. So, say you're drawing a nice lip line, like so. Not amazing, but okay. And you can actually fill in with the liner to make your lipstick last longer. Looks more like a heart than a mouth. But fill in with liner and then apply the MAC Russian Red over that. You can see it's a nice blue-based red. I'm just gonna kind of put it all over my hand so you can see it. Long-lasting. I wear it pretty much every day. I think it's the best red that MAC makes. There's another one called Ruby Woo that's a little bit more orangish, but this one has the nice bluish tone and works on a lot of skin tones. My hand is fairly tan, so looks good in a tan skin tone. It's just something I highly recommend to have in your makeup arsenal, is a good red lipstick. I think anybody can pull off a red lipstick. You just have to have the confidence. Again, this is what it looks like. I mean, you just muster up the confidence and you can wear a bold lip. And red goes well with anything. I say that if you're going to do a red lip, it's best to not do a super heavy smoky eye, just to do something light and fresh, just a little bit of mascara, and wear the red lipstick, and that really makes your mouth pop, and the color pops, and it can make a whole outfit, really, and your whole face. You don't have to, like I said, you don't have to use a lot of makeup if you use this lipstick. So yeah, MAC Russian Red, highly recommended. I would give it 5 stars out of 5 stars. And definitely check it out.